Now the topic is polymorphism. So the term polymorphism can be divided into the two words of Greek language. Poly means many and morphs it means the form. So many forms. Polymorph it means many form. Now polymorphism is characterized as a ability of a drug substance to have more than one crystalline phase which have a different arrangement and conformation of molecule in a crystal lattice. So here for example PCM. So PCM having the various crystalline form, and that various form having a different biological effect, different solubility, different stability, different melting point. It means in that PCM having, suppose for example PCM having the four crystalline forms, so each four are known as a polymorphs of PCM, and that four form having different solubility, stability, biological effect, melting point. So they are different by the arrangement of molecule in crystal lattice. It means each PCM having the different molecular arrangement and conformation of molecules. Now, a number of pharmacological active substances like chloramphenicol, indomethacin, steroids shows the number of different polymorphic forms in their solubility, stability, and pharmacological activity. Now, polymorphism can affect the mechanical property of drug particle, and ultimately they affect the productivity and physical attribute of a dosage form as a tablet. Many organic substances like the tristearine and theobroma oil also shows the polymorphism. So here substance which shows the same API but having the different molecular arrangement, so due to that the mechanical property is changed, and some organic substance showing the polymorphic effect like theobroma oil having the polymorphs. Now classification of polymorphs. So it is classified into the two types depending on the stability during the effect of temperature and pressure. So first one is enantiotropic. It is one polymorphs can be reversely changed into another one by varying the temperature or pressure. It means enantiotropes are reversible process by applying the temperature and pressure, while second is monotrophic, so they change between two forms is irreversible. So this process of monotrophic polymorphs are irreversible process. Now next method which are used for determination of polymorphs are some important analytical method are used like microscopy, crystallography, XRD, thermal method, NMR. In polarization optical microscopy, they studied the phase conversion of one crystal to the metastable form with respect in the presence of appropriate solvent. So in this POM, it means polarizing optical microscopy, the substance, the crystal convert into the metastable phase and due in the presence of some appropriate solvent, which is studied under the optical microscope. Next is thermal microscopy. So this is used for determination of a polymorphic system, and we are observing the effect of heating and cooling on the surface substance. Now XRD, X-ray diffraction, is used, which is the random in which the random sample was collected and exposed into the X-ray, and due to that the scattering will happen, and due to that that angle and intensity are correlated with the computer despacing. So here the angle and intensity, it means the force, or it means the intensity, it means tivrata. So intensity are correlated by this Bragg's law, and we can computerized this result and find out the nature of crystalline or amorphous, and if it is crystalline in nature, so how they are arranged each molecule. So this is all about the polymorphism.